Good morning, children. I am sure that you are quite well. Already, I have completed 5 chapters of the first book of English language literature of in your syllabus. There are two books. First is First Flight, and second is Footprints Without Feet. 5 chapters I have completed properly with proper explanation, summary, question answer, long answer, short question answer, stanza based. I am sure that you might have completed all those 5 chapters. If you have not completed, you better ask which which lesson you have not completed. I will provide you once again. Okay, but today you should concentrate on this second book, that is supplementary reader. Name of this book is that Footprints Without Feet. Footprints Without Feet. And from this book, first chapter, the title of the story is A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph. A Triumph of Surgery. Written by James Herriot. James, James, James Herriot, Herriot. James Herriot. At first, I would like to present you the introduction of the story. The story recounts the episode where the narrator, the veterinary surgeon who treats the animals, veterinary, Veterinary, veterinary surgeon, saves the life of a dog, Tricky. What is the name of dog? Tricky. Tricki. Tricki. By hospitalizing him to prevent him from being overfed. He was eating so much. When you are eating again and again without required, you are not feeling hungry, but you are eating just like glutton, you are inviting problems to yourself. Same was the condition of this dog. His owner always overfed him, so he was suffering a lot. He was hospitalized by the narrator to prevent him prevent means to stop, to control. Overfed. Feeding is proper thing, but overfeeding is harmful. Overfed by his wealthy owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, Pumphrey, Pumphrey. She was very rich lady. She loved her pet very much. She always thought about how to feed and what to feed. Always thinking about feeding the dog, who was simply worsening his condition. She was overfeeding, that was harmful for the dog, but she never thought about that. Worsen, worsening. Worsening means making troublesome, injurious, difficult to recover, worsening the condition. Bad, worse, worst. Bad is the positive degree, worse comparative, and worst, worst is superlative degree. From worse we have made worsening, worsening. The summary of the story, at first introduction I have given, then listen the summary. If you are listening the summary carefully, you will get the idea of the whole story. But if you are having your textbook, literature book, then it will be better to go through them, each and every line, to get proper help from this summary I have presented by me. Dr. Herriot, name of the doctor, Herriot, had pulled up his car when he saw Mrs. Pumphrey, Mrs. Pumphrey, Mrs. Pumphrey was her little dog on the street. Mrs. Pumphrey with her little dog. She was walking on the street. The dog was very fat due to overfeeding. Very fat. He had blood red and rheumy eyes. Rheumy. RHEUMY eyes. His tongue lolled from the jaws. His tongue was out. He was just puffing. LOLLED, lolled. From his jaws. He had kept his jaws open, so his tongue was outside. Dr. Harriet was shocked to see his appearance. What was the physical condition of dog? He was very fat, his eyes were rheumy, and his tongue was outside. Mrs. Pumphrey called Tricky, the little dog, as listless. LISTLES, listless, feeling uncomfortable. He had no energy. So she gave him extras between meals. she was giving extra diet. Already he was fat, he was not feeling comfortable, but it was beyond the capacity of the owner. She could not realize that he was suffering a lot due to overfeeding. She gave him extras between meals, but his health could not be built up. His health could not be built up. Regarding this, I want to give you an example. Once a lady went to meet a doctor regarding the treatment of her child who was 4 years old. Okay, the doctor asked, what do you feed your young one? She told us, doctor, he does not eat anything, only a glass of milk in the early morning, one apple, some slices of bread I give with milk, but he does not eat anything. And in the noon I give him biscuits with milk, but he does not eat anything. In the evening also again I provide him only a glass of milk with Horlicks, but he takes the milk but does not eat anything. The doctor was shocked to listen all these things. He asked, what more do you want to feed your young one? If you are giving all these things, then his appetite, his hunger is finished. He does not need anything more. Even then you are worried, then it is your foolishness. Don't overfeed your young one. Otherwise you will have to suffer a lot. Same condition was here. But his health could not be built up. Even the malt, cod liver oil, LIVER, and bowl of Horlicks was also provided to dog, failed to make him sleepy. SLEEPY, failed him to make him sleepy. Means all these things are being provided, even then the dog does not sleep properly. He is very restless, cannot breathe properly, cannot sleep properly. Same thing happens if a person becomes very healthy, very fat, then the person has to suffer a lot. Then breathing increases, rate of breathing increases. He has to carry his weight, whether he or she, and he has to face lots of problem in sitting and sleeping and walking and drinking and everything. What happened next? The Mrs. Pumphrey cut down on the sweet things, but relented when Tricky started getting weaker. Mrs. Pumphrey, doctor advised her to cut his diet. She overfed the dog. The dog was very much fat due to overfeeding, so doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to cut his diets, to reduce the eatables, whatever she was providing. But when he was not overeating, so his health was, his fat was just decreasing from his body. So when Mrs. Pumphrey observed all these things, she was very much disturbed to see that the dog was getting thinner day by day. Did you get my point? Okay. So when Tricky started getting weaker, she gave him his favorite cream cakes and chocolates. As the doctor, but doctor had wanted not to give cakes and chocolates, but she was feeling uncomfortable to see her dog growing weaker day by day. So what did she provide? She provided him chocolates and the cream cakes. She gave him food at odd and irregular hours. Irregular hours. IRREGULAR. Irregular hours. She gave him only little walks and no other exercise. He was eating only. But there was no physical exercise. As a result, he was growing fatter. Again, means extra fat was increasing on his body. So he was inviting problems to himself, and her owner was helping in this. The doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to cut Tricky's food right down and to give him more exercise. It was advised by the doctor. Mrs. Pumphrey got determined, firm determination. She decided that okay, she will do whatever the doctor says. The Mrs. Pumphrey got determined, DETERMINED, determined to adhere means to follow, ADHERE, to adhere to the doctor's stern advice, stern. The doctor was very much strict about his advice. Stern advice, STERN, stern advice. Dr. Harriet watched, WATCHED. Dr. Harriet was Tricky's progress. Dr. Harriet was Tricky's progress, but was not satisfied. Doctor was not satisfied with the slow progress in the dog's health. Soon after, he left eating and kept vomiting. The dog did not like to eat. He stopped eating and started vomiting, VOMITING, and panting means keeping tongue outside and breathing fast, just the dogs do during summer season. Panting. The doctor suggested that Tricky should be kept under observation in the hospital. It was doctor's advice that Tricky should be kept in hospital under observation in the hospital. The doctor will be present there and other animals will be there. But this dog will learn some good habits from other dogs. Mrs. Pumphrey started wailing, WAILING, when Dr. Harriet took Tricky to his hospital. She started wailing. She was feeling uncomfortable as if her child was being taken away from her. She started crying and weeping. Okay? Started wailing, WAILING, when Dr. Harriet took Tricky to his hospital. Everybody in her household, including her maids, the maid servant, were in tears. Everybody was crying as if there was farewell party. Their farewell of a daughter affair was being performed. Same was the condition in the family when dog was being sent to hospital. Tricky was being sent. Tricky could not even wag. His tail or kick with his legs. He was so fatty, so healthy. Healthy we cannot say. Over fatty, and was quite uncomfortable. She was so fat that he could not kick. He was so fat that he could not wag his tail or kick with his legs. His eyes too had become dull and lay down motionless on the carpet. lay down on the carpet, sleeping. A lazy man, a fatty person, cannot walk properly. He wants to take a rest always. That adds to his problem. He cannot come out of his problem. The other dogs at the surgery at hospital ignored him as an uninteresting object. If other dogs were there, they observed that this fat dog is not playing any game. He was lazy. Then they avoided him. Same thing happens in society also. When you are inactive, you are not participating in any function, you are not participating in any activity, social activity, people avoid you. They don't need your company, they never want you. Same thing happens with animals also. Animals are very playful, they are very sportive, and they don't like the lazy animals. The doctor gave him plenty of water. Doctor gave him plenty of water, lot of water. He became a bit energetic. When he got water, he drank water, he felt energetic. After 2 days, on the third day, he trotted out. Trotted out means came out. TROTTED. He trotted out and enjoyed the company of other dogs. Other dogs he wanted to. Now he got interested with other dogs. He also started eating properly. When other dogs were eating, he was also being fed by the doctor at proper time. He was not given just he was getting from his owner. In hospital, everything was provided on time. The doctor did not give Tricky any medicinal treatment. He did not give him any medicine. All day he frolicked, FROLICKD, frolicked with her. Frolicked means played, jumped, moved here and there with other dogs cheerfully. He played, frolicked means played, enjoyed, jumped cheerfully. He got out of danger and started convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means improving. CONVALESCING. This is a difficult word, you can note down. CONVALESCI. Convalescing means improving, recovering from his illness. Rapidly means very fast. Okay. Mrs. Pumphrey asked. Mrs. Pumphrey inquired. ENQUIRED. Mrs. Pumphrey inquired about Tricky on phone. She asked the doctor about his progress in health. She was very much worried about her dog. Then who was worried? The owner of dog. What was her name? Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey inquired about Tricky on phone many times a day. Many times. She always called doctor, what is progress, what the dog was doing, whether he has eaten anything or not, what was his response. She was suffering from the pangs of his separation. Pangs of separation. When a child is taken away from its mother, then the mother, both the mother and the child, they find it difficult to cope with the feeling of separation. They feel uncomfortable. They both of them cry, the child as well as its mother. Same thing happens when a girl gets married. When she goes to her groom's home, then there is feeling of separation. People cry as if a part of their heart is taken away from their body. Same thing happens when you love someone very much and a person leaves you all at once for not forever, but if for 1 month, 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, you don't feel comfortable. You want to join the person, and when the person comes back after 10 days, it adds to your pleasure. It is due to love. Ultimately, she was told that Tricky had recovered. When doctor told Mrs. Pumphrey that the dog had has recovered from his problem, has become healthier, she was very glad to listen all these things. She reached the surgery hospital by car to collect him, to take his dog from hospital. The doctor brought Tricky in his arms. In his arms. Tricky jumped into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Tricky was also full of emotion. When he saw his owner was there, he jumped. He went at once into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, in mother's lap. When you were child, your mother was just, your mother kept you in her lap, and we have also played in our mother's lap. We have been brought up our mother, and mother's love cannot be compared with anyone's love. Love. This Mrs. Pumphrey loved the dog just like her own young one. Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Tricky jumped into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap and started licking her face. Expression of love. Just like a mother kisses the child at many places, the same thing happens with the child when he finds his mother. When the child finds its mother, not his mother. Okay, with child we use its. Mrs. Pumphrey's lap and started licking her face. Tears were shining in her eyes. Tears of joy. Tears of joy. When you get whatever you like, whatever you are wishing to get, and then you are so full of joy that tears of joy come out of your eyes. The tears were shining in her eyes. She thanked the doctor with trembling lips. She thanked, THANKD, thanked the doctors with trembling lips. When you are full of emotion, then you become speechless. You want to say lots of things, but you cannot speak. You cannot speak. With trembling lips, she said, "Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much for helping me to bring my dog in a better condition, healthier, and in giving it back to me in the best condition the doctor could bring that dog to. In the better condition the doctor could bring the dog. This is the summary. This is summary, and with this we can get the idea how a person can love a pet, love for the animals. How, unless you have kept a pet, you cannot realize how much a person loves his her pet. Once you, I want to say, once you feed a dog, it keeps on wailing its tail, as long as it lives in the world. The dog is the most faithful animal in this world. Other animals are also very faithful, but once dog is the most faithful animal. Man is the most selfish animal in this world. Man is also social animal. You must know, in biological language, we are also animals, social animals. Man creates all problems. Man is most critical animal. He governs the world, creates and disturb other animals, disturb the environment. At the same time, there are certain human beings who love animals very much. Their deep love for animals, their deep love for God gifted things cannot be expressed in words. The people who have kept animals as pet or who have never killed an animal, they better realize how much do they love them. What I want to say, uh, dog is most faithful animal, and man is most selfish animal in this world. Once you feed, you can keep on feeding your friends and relatives, and in the with the best arrangements you can provide to them. But once you are incapable, you are unable to feed them, you are unable to respect them with the eatables they are expecting, then they use negative comments on you. You better understand what I want to say. They don't follow you. They cannot sit beside you. They cannot cooperate with you. They pass on negative comments on you. They speak ill words on your back. So, in this way, man is most selfish animal. As long as you have money in your pocket, people will loiter behind you or near you. But once you are moneyless, you have no money, no power, no respect in society, nobody will come to you. Okay, this is the selfish man, condition of selfish man. But already I have told you that once you feed a dog, after you don't feed it, even then it wags its tail whenever it observes you, because he recalls that you have fed him once, and he expecting that you will feed him once again, but maybe you are not feeding. Even then, the dog loves you very much. He expresses his love for you, wagging its tail at your side. That's all for the from this lesson. The summary is over. Now I would like to give you certain short questions. Listen the question, and I will give you the answer. Note them in your fair notebook. The first question is, how did Mr. Pumphrey how did Mr. Pumphrey and her servant behave when Tricky was being sent to the surgery? How did Mr. not Mr. Mrs. How did Mrs. Pumphrey and her servant behave when Tricky was being sent to the surgery? No doubt answer. The entire staff was roused. Entire all family members, those who are working, the maid servants. Entire entire staff, staff, was roused. 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 Maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, night bed, cushion, toys, and whatever things were required, whatever things which were used by that Tricky, that animal, everything was being arranged by the maids. Maids rushed in, rushed, rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, night bed, and cushion, 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 twice. Everybody was in tears. Mrs. Pumphrey gave a desperate cry. She started crying. How will I live without my Tricky? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, how will I live? You don't have to write it, only this you have to write. Mrs. Pumphrey, 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 gave a desperate cry, desperate, desperate cry, desperate, when Tricky was sent to surgery. When Tricky was sent to surgery. I am repeating, note the answer, I am reading fast. The entire staff was roused. Maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, night bed, cushion, twice. Everybody was in tears. Mrs. Pumphrey gave a desperate cry when Tricky was sent to surgery. That's all for this question. You will get 2 marks for this answer. Now come to the next question. Why did Mrs. Pumphrey make a frantic call? Frantic, Frantic. frantic call to Mr. Harriet? Why did Mrs. Pumphrey make a frantic call to Mr. Harriet? Harriot. It can be asked in other way also. Means this question can be asked in other way. So that question you should also listen and write. What was Tricky's ailment? Ailment means illness. AILment. 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 Ailment means illness. How did it worry Mrs. Pumphrey? How did it worry Mrs. Pumphrey? Note down the answer. Whatever questions I am giving, these are important from the point of view of board exam. So don't take them lightly. Note them down clearly in your notebook and arrange them properly. Right answer. Mrs. Pumphrey had a dog named Tricky. Indirectly, she was responsible for the dog's illness. She herself she loved her dog very much, but she was overfeeding the dog, so indirectly she was responsible for the dog's illness. She gave him little extra between meals. MEALS, that is malt, MALT, cod liver oil, COD, cod liver oil, LIVER, cod liver oil, etc. He was not given any physical exercise. He was not given any physical exercise. So the dog fell ill. The dog fell ill and started vomiting. VOMITING, started vomiting also. It made Mrs. Pumphrey so much worried that she had to call the veterinary doctor. So be careful about the spelling. Veterinary, VETERINAR, veterinary surgeon, VETERINARY. Veterinary surgeon is a doctor who treats animals. Veterinary surgeon Dr. Harriet for his treatment. Dr. Harriet for his treatment. Now come to the third question. Why was Dr. Harriet confident that Tricky will be in hospital soon? Why was Dr. Harriet, HERRIOT, confident that Tricky will be in hospital soon, SOON? Can you give the answer? I am telling you the answer, you better note it. Dr. Harriet was shocked to see, Dr. Harriet was shocked, 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 to see Tricky's condition. When his doctor saw the dog, he was very much shocked to see how fat he was, what was his physical condition. Answer, I am repeating the answer. Dr. Harriet was shocked to see Tricky's condition. He knew that the latter LATTER, latter, not later. LETTER, later is you write something to someone. That is later. It is latter. LATTER. The latter, he knew that the latter would soon, WOULD, soon be hospitalized. HOSPITALISED, hospitalized, as he was unable to move. MOV. He had become usually fat, very fat, HUGELY, usually fat, like a bloated sausage, BLOATED, bloated sausage, SAUSAGE, bloated sausage, and his tongue lolled, Lolled, his tongue lolled from his jaws, Jaws. I am repeating the answer fast, note again. Dr. Harriet was shocked to see Tricky's condition. He knew that the latter would soon be hospitalized as he was unable to move. He had become hugely fat like a bloated sausage and his tongue lolled from his jaws. The answer is over. Now come to the fourth question. How would you describe the behavior of the rich woman? WOMN, woman. Singular is woman, plural is women. WOMEN is women. But mostly people pronounce oman and omen. That is incorrect. WOMN is woman and WOMEN is women. Note down the question. How would you describe the behavior, BEHAVIOUR, behavior of the rich woman, Mrs. Pumphrey's pampering, Mrs. Pumphrey's, apostrophe S, POMPHREY, apostrophe S. Pumphrey's pampering, 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 and overfeeding Tricky, overfeeding Tricky. Right answer. Mrs. Pumphrey behaved in a very silly, SILLY, silly and thoughtless manner, by over pampering Tricky, by over pampering, PAMPERI, pampering Tricky, T capital, TRICKY. Indirectly, she was responsible for his ill health. She was responsible for his ill health, ill health. It was totally a waste of money. It was totally a waste of money. Waste, W-A-S-T, waste of money. But this behavior is very common among rich people. This behavior is very common among rich people. It is a general problem of those who live alone. It is a general problem of those who live alone. This answer is over. Come to next question, question number 5th. Why was Mrs. Harriet tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Why was Mr. Harriet, HERRIOT, Mr. Harriet tempted, TEMPTED, tempted means forced, to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, GUEST, guest? Note down answer. Mrs. Pumphrey used to send, Mrs. Pumphrey, PUMPHREY, Pumphrey used to send lots of things like eggs, wine, brandy, etc. for Tricky. But nothing was given to Tricky. All the things were consumed. CONSUMED, by the doctor and other members of the hospital. Hence, Mrs. Harriet was tempted to keep Tricky as his permanent guest. Mrs. Harriet was tempted, TEMPTED, tempted to keep Tricky as his permanent guest. I am repeating the answer. Match it. Mrs. Pumphrey used to send lots of things like eggs, wine, brandy, etc. for Tricky, but nothing was given to Tricky. All the things were consumed by the doctor Doctor was eating himself. All the things were consumed by the doctor and other members of the hospital. Hence, Mr. Harriet, Harriot, Mr. Harriet was tempted to keep Tricky as his permanent guest. Okay. One more question, short question I will provide you tomorrow, and 3 long answers for tomorrow. Okay. That's all for today. Keep yourself safe. Stay safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.